Right, so hello guys. I've just had a Monster Energy drink and I have some caffeine in me. So I thought before it wears off and I have my inevitable downfall, I will show you how I did some of the materials in this game. I have like 3 materials or something. But as you can see, if I just press G, you can get rid of your like kind of, your wireframe clutters and stuff. So the wall and the floor, it's a tiled texture. It's pixel art. It's 32 by 32, I think the textures were, which I have pixel edit, so I just made it really quickly in that. As you can see, perfectly seamless and everything. So I'll go through how I did that, because I did not. I did make these in Blender, so I made the rooms in Blender, but I also, for these like pillars, I think I just used the geometry section. So like, pop this box in. I use this, which is great for prototyping your levels and everything. To show you could just build a level with it. It's pretty cool. So I'll show you the material. Let's go into my materials. The base, I believe, was my floor tile material. So if I open this up, it's really simple. All it is, so I made a parameter texture object. It's a texture object, not just I think it's just texture image, texture sample, right? So it's not the texture sample, it's called texture object, and I made it a parameter. And you do that by like right clicking and it will convert to parameter. So this, I can swap out the textures that I need. As you can see, this image, let's see if I can bring it up as well. So it's literally 32 by 32. Really simple. It's a square, so it tiles. It's not anything complicated. So I've done that. I've got this world aligned texture node. As you can see, it goes into the top texture object. I've made a parameter for the scale, which is just a float. I've set that to 128. Set that to whatever looks good. Then all you're doing, popping it into the base color and done. And then you've got a material, which if I just pop it on here, it's just gonna automatically be like seamless with the world. As you can see, it's not like gone weird or anything. It looks fine. I can do it with the wall as well. And it's really simple, it's really quick. And if you're doing your GameJam or something and you need to get something quick, rough out there, this is a great way of doing it. And as you can see, once it's in the level and stuff, it looks pretty good. So yeah, that was just a quick little thing about the materials I did, and yeah, that's it. Thanks.